There's my dog on the floor. Sorry about that. Okay, so for the past couple of nights, I don't know, it's been like 2 weeks already. There's been bird noises at night, really late, and I don't know what's the point of that. Like, I don't know if it's related to any of that stuff that has been happening around the world, where birds fall and all that kind of stuff, the wells, all that stuff. And then my brother, he was inside of that shed right there. But that was my backyard. He was just working out, and we had our soccer ball just right here, I guess. And it started bouncing. He was out here with them, so I don't know what they're saying too, or that, I don't know, whatever that mysterious thing is. And I don't know. So I just wanted to record it real quick, and then we'll see what you guys think about it.